I am finally getting around to it. This is my South Bend 13-inch industrial is what they call it, I think. It's 13 by a 5-foot bed. And I'm finally going to rebuild it. Took me a long time to get around to it because I enjoy using it so much. I hated to have it tore down for any amount of time, but partway into disassembling right now. Here's some of the parts. That's my homemade press. Some more parts. Here's the paint I'm going to use. Light machine gray, and there might be some spots that I got to use some spray, so there's the spray. Tailstock I already did, but I'm going to have to repaint it because I did it in dark machine gray and I want the light. So I'll have to repaint that, but it's rebuilt and it works really nice. Even got the little brass dauber, which I made myself. Here's something I had to make myself because the original handle wasn't with it. So I made that on the lathe. This handle I had to make on there because that was missing, I think. So I got to take this all apart, clean it up good. It's really in good shape anyway, so I don't think I'll have much of a problem. But this will probably be the only time I have this on video because I enjoy doing my work so much that I don't like fiddling around with a video camera, so probably won't see any more video of this until it's finished. That's an 8-inch 4-jaw chuck that I converted to a cam lock. It was a screw-on, but I converted it to a cam lock because that's what I have. So, next time I video this, hopefully it will be finished.